Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is High Seas Treaty. On World Oceans Day, that is 8th June 2024, the Director General of the International Union for Conservation of Nature urged countries to strive for a fully functional High Seas Treaty. The High Seas Treaty, also known as the Agreement on Marine Biodiversity of Areas Beyond National Jurisdiction, was adopted by the UN in June 2023. It became the third agreement to be approved under UNCLOS, that is United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, after the 1994 and 1995 treaties. Among the 90 countries that have signed the treaty, only 7 countries, Belize, Chile, Mauritius, Federated States of Micronesia, Monaco, Palau, and the Seychelles, have ratified the treaty. The treaty will become international law only when it is signed and ratified by at least 60 countries. India has neither signed nor ratified the treaty. The BBNJ treaty aims to address critical issues such as the increasing sea surface temperatures, overexploitation of marine biodiversity, overfishing, coastal pollution, and unsustainable practices beyond national jurisdiction. Let's know more about high seas. The high seas are those parts of the world's oceans that lie beyond a country's national jurisdiction. They account for more than 60% of the world's ocean area and cover about half of the Earth's surface. These international waters are home to a wide variety of biodiversity. Despite this, less than 2% of the world's high seas are protected by law. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, in which year did the UN adopt the High Seas Treaty? 2021, 2022, 2023, or 2024? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.